Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you some of my top tips for music education, with a special focus on music technology. Music technology is constantly evolving, and it's important for music educators to stay up to date with the latest tools and resources available. Embracing technology in the music classroom can enhance the learning experience for students and provide new opportunities for creativity and expression. One tip is to incorporate digital music production software into your curriculum. Programs like GarageBand and Ableton Live can help students explore music composition, recording, and editing in a fun and interactive way. Another tip is to encourage students to experiment with virtual instruments and music apps. These tools can help students learn about different sounds and techniques and can inspire them to think outside the box when creating music. Additionally, don't be afraid to use technology to connect with other musicians and educators around the world. Virtual collaborations and online music communities can provide valuable learning experiences and networking opportunities for your students. By embracing music technology in your classroom, you can help students develop important skills for the 21st century while fostering a love and appreciation for music. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more music education tips and resources.